Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Jackal in Rainbow Six Siege. Jackal is an invaluable attacking operator, known for his unique ability to track enemy movements. His primary gadget, the Inox Model Roman 3, allows him to scan footprints left by defenders, revealing their current location to your team. This makes him a powerful counter to roaming operators, forcing them to either hold their ground or retreat. Understanding his role is key to dominating the battlefield. To maximize the Inox's potential, activate it in high-traffic areas or common roaming paths. Prioritize scanning fresh, red footprints for real-time pings on enemy locations. Remember, older footprints provide less accurate information. Be mindful of mute jammers, as they will block your Inox scans, so destroy them first. Effective tracking provides crucial intel for your team's push. Jackal offers versatile weapon choices. The C7E assault rifle is a high-damage option, excellent for direct engagements. Alternatively, the PDW-9 submachine gun provides a larger magazine capacity, perfect for sustained fire. His playstyle revolves around aggressively hunting roamers and pressuring defenders. Use your Inox to flush out enemies, then engage them with your chosen weapon. For advanced play, always coordinate with your teammates. When you ping an enemy, communicate their location so your team can converge and eliminate the threat. Utilize your smoke grenades to cover your team's entry into objective rooms or to safely plant the diffuser. Jackal's ability to deny roamers is a huge advantage, so use it to control the map. And hey, for a different kind of tactical advantage, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.